Alright. Okay, so this is your hinge mark. See? Alright, and then you cut this basically 1.5 inches bigger all the way around. You know, and that depends on what router you have. And the way I come up with the 1.5 inches is you measure the distance from your router bit, the edge of the router bit, to the edge of your plastic right here. And it's 1.5 inches. So you make your cutout template 1.5 inches bigger. And then you just get it flush on the front. And you can put a couple screws in it or nails in it if you want, or you can put a clamp on it, or you can just hold it down. Alright, once you get the outline, come across the front, you move that. Alright, then you got your two kind of hinges. You got the square hinges, and you got the rounded ones. If this was rounded, it would go in there perfect without a problem, because you see the corners are kind of rounded because you're bit. But since this is square, it gets real close, but the corners. So what you do is you just take a knife and you just cut out the corners. And it's perfect. It's flush with the top. And you just set the depth. You set the depth of this to the height of your, the depth of your hinge. You know, if you got a thicker hinge, you adjust the depth of your bit. And then that's where you get the depth of the cut. Pretty simple. And then we'll do this last one. So I've already got my hinge mark. Alright, then you measure 1.5 inches. Put a little mark. And you measure 1.5 inches. A little mark. 1.5 inches. You ain't have to measure that. This. You line the edge up on your mark. Make sure it's flush on the front. And hold it down. cut out the corners.